Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. Finally, welcome back to another market update session. Today, we will analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame and 30-minute time frame as well. So there is basically very lots of important stuff to be discussed today because market is basically in a range. So based on my previous market update analysis, I posted recently two videos on YouTube as well. When everyone was bullish from this area, I told you I made two videos on this on my YouTube channel as well on my Telegram channel, and I posted for you guys on my Twitter as well. To be I warned you lots of times not to go long on BTC because the trend at basically has been shifted. The weak hand had been shifted toward the strong hand. So I warned you, and after my update, BTC till now has been almost dropped by 14 to 16%. Okay, so today we will also analyze BTC, and at the end of the video I will let you know what I expecting from market. Okay, so before we get into the video, we traded lots of moves with my VIPs as well, with you guys also. Okay, so we traded lots of trades with our VIPs, and basically all those trades were short. Okay, so first trade was Atom, the other trade was BTC. All of these trades were with 10x leverage, and these trades gave us 80 to 100% profit, okay, with just 10x leverage. Okay, the other trade we traded with our VIPs was XRP went and hit all our targets, and it gave us 130% with just 10x leverage. Okay, so beside this, this was our BTC trade. We basically traded two trades on BTC. Okay, so this was the Atom trade we traded with our VIPs. This trade hit our all targets, and almost it gave us 150% with just 10x leverage. Okay, so basically we traded AAVE also, all those trades. And here, this was the move which I wanted to show you. This was the move which we perfectly predicted with our VIPs, and how BTC moved. Okay, so that's how we guide our VIPs with proper guidance and market update. Okay, so another stuff I wanted to show you was short on BTC. Okay, so this was our second signal. We went short on BTC from a perfect top. You can see our entry, it was 25k. Okay, so we provide trade ideas section as well, the announcement news as well. In this section, all these guys post their trade ideas and what they think about current market. Okay, so we include announcement section as well, and discussion section obviously as well. As along with these, we provide technical analysis section as well. Okay, so this is our gain section. You can see how much these guys make profit with us. Okay, so this is basically my VIP Discord. If you also want to join us on Discord, you can DM me on Twitter or Telegram. I will let you know what's the criteria to join me on Discord. So currently we are on BTC USD 4-hour time frame. Let's get into the video. First we will analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame, and then we will jump into 30-minute time frame. Okay, what happened in market? We can see that all this trend was basically a bearish trend, when others were considering this to be as a bullish trend. Okay, so I told you that this was basically a trap for those retail traders. Okay, so what's happening right now? We could see that this was a high. This high got broken by this move up. So what happened next? The weak hands had basically shifted toward the strong hands. In case of bearish sentiments, this low got broken, and this was the perfect opportunity to short BTC again, and we traded this all move with you guys as well, with my VIPs. Okay, so this was basically a trend line. We could see that this trend line got tested one time, the two times, and this was basically the third test of this trend line, and most of the orders lied obviously below this trend line, and the institutional traders obviously moved the market against all those traders who were considering basically this trend line to be as area of support, and they were going long on BTC. Okay, so this is the move I am seeing on 4-hour time frame. So where most of orders for now lie in market, we can see this all move is basically a dog block. Obviously we tell our only our VIPs in our technical analysis section that what is this and how to trade this area. So basically this is now playing an area of inefficiency, and we can see an order block right here, an area of inefficiency in the form of imbalance right here. So basically all these areas constitute to in form of inefficiencies which lies above these areas. Okay, so this was the liquidity which lies above this trend line. And if we talk about next liquidity, and obviously if we talk about rest of liquidity, that lies at these two equal lows which just got grabbed by this small wick up, and the rest of liquidity lies at this range. This is basically ranging from 20k towards 19k. Okay, so these are two areas where most of orders for now lie. Let's get into 30-minute time frame and let's analyze that on 30-minute time frame. And at the end of this video, I will let you know what is the move I am expecting. Okay, so currently on 30-minute time frame, we can see the formation of what retailers would be seeing for now is this potential what we call this maybe a inverted heads and shoulder, or those traders are waiting for the breakout of this, or what howsoever you trade this, maybe a breakout then retest, or maybe you go long on this. But basically if we see it like a institutional trader, so what will you notice that we have a current high right here and low right here. Okay, so this was our high, this was basically our high, this was high, this was low, this low got broken by this high, and this low got broken by all this move down. So currently market for now is between two ranges. The first range is this and the other range is this. As far as this high is not broken, we can't long a BTC. Okay, so our expectations would be normally bearish trend. Okay, so this is basically what we are seeing, liquidity in the form of imbalance right here and order block in these areas in small time frames. What we are finding, we are basically now trying to hunt counter long trades. Okay, what are counter long trades? It's basically going against the trend, because the main trend for now is bearish trend. So if we want to find long for now, that would be counter longs. But what would be the case? The case would be if price breaks this high. What is the target of this high? 21,500. If price breaks this high, then we will try to find long count longs. Okay, what would be our target? Our first target would be this area of inefficiency, and our next target would be this area of order block. But what would be the second scenario? Most of the times, and rather every time, I don't post two-side predictions, but for today market is basically in a range, so we have to consider the second scenario as well. We have current low right here, which is 20,700. As far as this low is maintained, we will expect that this high should be broken. Okay, so if this low gets broken, then we can find again short opportunities targeting the lower areas of inefficiency that I told you on for our analysis. So now the question is, what am I expecting? Okay, am I expecting a pump or dump? Okay, so because it's very difficult to post one side prediction, because market can each and every time go against you, because market is not mine, or I am not the composite man who can control this market. Okay, I just explained this how the institutional traders play with you guys, your emotions. Okay, so as far I am expecting, price should break this high and we should find counter longs towards this area. Okay, so this is basically my expectations. I can be wrong each and every time, so don't blindfoldly trust my prediction always. I can be wrong each and every time. Because why am I expecting a small move up? Because if I analyze the same chart of USDT dominance, I am expecting basically this trend. Okay, from USDT dominance I am expecting small move down, then move up, then move down. Okay, so basically in this all move we will try to find counter longs on BTC. Okay, so basically for now there are two scenarios, but I am expecting a small move up in price to break this high on 30-minute time frame, and then we will find some of altcoins to go long on them. Okay, so this was today's market update analysis. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Join me on Telegram if you want a free trading signals. So basically this is my Twitter. Let's make our followers 1K, because we are just on 301 followers. Okay, so it would be obviously you guys are the ones who grow our YouTube as well, Twitter and Telegram channel as well. So this was the move. Here was my update when I told you guys on my Twitter as well that price is not anymore bullish. Okay, so we may expect a move down. So all my predictions and our updates are available on Twitter as well. So this was today's market update analysis. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram if you want a free trading signals. So that's enough for today. Thank you very much.